So I'm here in Plaza Blanca, and I must say that just being surrounded by those beautiful stones and the quietness of the place, and it's just first of all you're struck. I was struck by the beauty of this place, but then right now I feel so like empty. And as I'm walking more and more, I feel I'm connecting to the stone and connecting to the place. The energy here is quite powerful, so I feel like my body needs to adjust, you know, and there's no one around at this time of the year especially, and it's very special. Very, very special. Tell me, so you have this game of finding faces wherever you go?
Yeah, it's called Faces in Places, and so sometimes you can see a face in a rock, or a face in a machine, or a face in the wrinkle of a bag, or a face anywhere. And I'm a preschool teacher, so a lot of times it's kids that really like it, but when I'm
But you love it, come on.
I love it, and I'm telling you, like, once people see one face, you can't stop. Everywhere you go, people like point out faces to me, and they take pictures and they send me pictures of the faces and places that they see as well. It's really cute.
Oh, clearly there is 3 here. Look at that. 2, 3. This is amazing, you know. Oh, I forgot to touch the stone in itself. Like we often say, you know, how you can hug trees and feel the energy of the trees. And here there's all this ancient wisdom, all this energy in those stones that are, for some people, they say they're alive, you know. They're just being with those stones and breathing in. It's like a flood of yumminess and juiciness and wisdom. It's like the entire universe is there, you know. It's like, oh, you get sucked in the stone, and that's how it feels right now. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at those layers. It's like you wonder how this was built and done. Oh, juicy!
As the Lakota say, Mitakuye Oyasin, we are all related, we are all one. There's thousands of years here in these stones. That's why nature is so powerful, because it brings the energy of the ancient, the energy of the people who were there before, the energy of thousands of years ago. And that's
right
the
here.
real things.
Look at that, I love this little hole. I know it seems strange, but look at how it is here. On dirait une petite grotte, it looks like a little cave.
And all this is the work of nature. The earth, the water, who comes with the snow or rain, and then it cracks, it freezes, and it cracks, and then it thaws. And the wind goes, made these little funny holes. So it's very, very powerful when you're on the site and you can blend with the earth, and you have this magical sky above us.
Yeah. And even if you don't have these where you are, you know, you can find a rock, you can find a garden, a forest. There's this everywhere. I know those, as you see those videos, those seems like very, very special places, and they are. But hopefully this will inspire you to find this in your own life, because you have them around you. It's just a matter of seeing through the eyes of love and the heart, instead of what we were raised at, most of us at least. Juicy! Oh. So good.
Okay. Even better.
And angeloism of the stone. Come. Why is the heart so open in such a place?
Well, because this we're in Plaza Blanca is by Abequillo, and it's pretty much very central to New Mexico. But Plaza Blanca is very famous first because Georgia O'Keeffe painted it in many of her paintings, and it's beautiful. But also, to me, it's a sacred place, because sacred places are places where you can find peace and you're in connection with nature. And it's so easy to meditate, and you're in direct connection with nature. You have the rock, the stones, which have their very specific energy to each of us. And then you have the plants, and we have very special plants right there, here. It's a little yucca, and these plants were, that's the plants that the Indian used to do the baskets. So they would dry the leaves, and then they would wet it, and then I have a little piece here, and you can see there's, I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of fibers, and that's what they use to do the strings and the baskets.
Oh, yeah.
So it's naturally, and we are also in the bed of the river, so the water element is here, the wind goes through the stone, so there's a lot of element here, the earth, the water, the wind, the sky. So it's like
And it's beautiful.
Great Spirit is here.
And it's beautiful. I just have a hard time. I just want to film everything here. It's hard to. I hope it'll do justice to the filming, because it's just every single angle that you look at is wow. And beauty, you know, like that opens the heart right away. It doesn't need anything else, really.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's really when you are immersed into nature that you can be yourself, and you can just breathe and absorb all the wonderful energy that you have on these sites. like it.
And that's where it's really handy to have long legs. I'm glad I'm 6 foot tall now. Because it's quite slippery. Very slippery.
Love, I need a sweet, sweet.
You have to walk the walls. You have to walk the walls.
Sweet,
It's only ice.
love, I need a sweet, sweet love.
I love it. And it's so cool to be between the stones. You know?
Sweet love, I need a sweet, sweet,
Like I'm
sweet
surfing.
love. I need a sweet, sweet, sweet love. I need a sweet, sweet love. La la la.
I'm getting ready for Tuesday for snowboarding. This is good.
La la
Legs are getting stronger.
la la la.
Stretching and. All right.
She did it. You.
If it's alright, there is something here, dream. Now that you found a heaven, could you find it here with me?
I think my next stop is in Colorado. And everything is sacred.